Everybody, and welcome back. It's Jenny. Come on in, and we're gonna talk about so many ways to save money this week. Yep, and you know you want to know. And if you're just stopping by, or maybe you're not subscribed yet, well, look below. Go ahead and subscribe. I bring you deals every day, and all kinds of different ways to save, and you know you want to know. So go ahead and subscribe. That way you don't forget. Help a gal out. I'm always looking for more friends. Yep, the more crazy friends, the better. And that being said, make sure you read the comments because you'll find all kinds of great information in my comments from our friends. And you know you want to know. So, please and thank you. Don't forget to do that. Another thing don't forget to do, show the video some love. Leave a 3-word comment. Please, please, please. And let the video play all the way to the end. Let those ads play through. It's so important to the channel. And not just for me, but for every creator. As well as sharing. The more you share, the more blessed we are. Okay? Because sharing, you're helping other people out. You really are. Now, let's talk about some, well, deals. We got so many deals that we're going to be talking every day, sometimes twice a day, so stay tuned. And just like before, this last week, I tried to post a regular post after every video. That way, if you don't get notified, because this is timely information that you need to know, and YouTube is slow with their notifications. So if you don't get notified, hopefully you'll get that post and know to come to the channel. Now, the link to the channel is in the description box, the top line there. Put that in your favorite places so you can go check there every day, and you'll usually find 1 or 2 deals waiting for you. Now, for those of you who haven't been here, we do our deals a couple of different ways. Well, more than one way, for sure. But what I try to do is give you a daily deal, and that's a deal, you know, a little small short one, 2 or 3 of those that you can do, and then I show you how to build a scenario using those same items. That's what we try to do. And we also try to get everything that we purchase under $2. It used to be under $1, but yeah, those were the days. Now it's under $2. So let's talk about this deal right here, because it's glitching again. And this is the Save 5 when, oh no, that's not it. Wrong one, guys. We're talking about the 4 for 12. We're going to talk about this right here. Why? Because it's glitching again. And this is the 4 for 12. Now, it tells you that you need to purchase one of each thing. You don't need to purchase one of each thing. You can purchase whatever you want. However, if you do purchase a fabric softener and a dryer sheet, you'll save additional money because you've got manufactured coupons for this. And the 4 for 12 is a store coupon. So both of those coupons will work with that deal, bringing it down to like $8 and change. Okay? Now, we also have the Save 5 when you spend $30 on Procter & Gamble laundry products. That's not just Gain products, but it has to be Gain products that only have manufactured coupons with them, okay? Other store coupons will not work with the spend 30 deal, so you know. Now, we've got lots of free money this week. We've got lots of Save 5s when you spend 25 or 20 on different array of products. This one is for the Charmin and Bounty and Puffs products. And you got dollar coupons for each one of those. But at best, any day of the week, that would be $8 off. Now, you can do this in a 5 off 25 scenario, but you're going to have to spend $30 on something. Okay? Or you can combine it with, well, let's see. Okay, let's see what kind of coupons we can match up with these 2 deals. We have a whole array of PG coupons for this, guys. We have got $1.05 off of a Gain Fling 14 count or Gain Liquid 46 ounce. Okay, that's the 4 for 12. Now, just so you know, on the 4 for 12, Gain Liquid does not work with the 4 for 12. It will have to be the flings. So you pick up the Gain flings, and you'll get an extra $1.05 off. It will stack with that store coupon. Now, you also got the spend 20 and save 5. If you come out spending $20 on PG products, and that's any PG products, that includes the Bounty and Charmin. If you come out spending 20, you'll get 5 off your next trip. Alright? And then you have the save 5 on any PG purchase of $30 or more of laundry detergent. Alright? This is the one we're not going to be concerned with right now. Right now, we're going for the 4 for 12 and the spend 20. So, we're going to pick up a fling. A 14 count fling, which is what is in that deal right there. Now, you'll also see there's a $1.05 coupon for the Gain Fabric Softener. That's also a manufacturer coupon. Well, clip that. Now, this is a little bit of interesting news right here. The dollar items that are P&G seem to be attaching to this 5 off your next purchase when you spend 20. So you could pick up $20 items, and there's a lot of PG dollar items, particularly if you are a single person or you're in small spaces or a traveler. And you're going to get $5 off your next PG purchase. So, winner, guys. Or if you just need $1 or $2 to make up that spend 20, well, this might be what you need. Okay, let's look at the paper towel deal, the Bounty. I'm going to do all bounties, 2 bounties, and a Bounty Select a Size Essentials, okay? And we've got a $3 coupon, we've got a $1 coupon, and then we've got no coupon on this. And then, of course, we've got the 5 off because we spent $25. Let's look at deals applied. 3 and 5. And look, on the spend 20, that's under deals applied. Okay? So, it's applied it to this deal, which means you should be getting back 5 off your next purchase. Now we've got this one with the $1 off. Now this, make sure you put this smaller bounty up first. You don't want any conflict with your coupons. And then your regular bounty. Now, as you can see, that save 5, spend 20 is been applied on all of these. It says applied. So that means you should be getting your 5 back. Even though we are slightly short. We are at $26 subtotal. You got $9 in coupons. Your taxes is $2.18, leaving you a final out-of-pocket of $18.41. And if your taxes is $2, that means you're only paying $7 and some change, or $17 and some change. So, guys, if you do this deal, and you get your 5 back because you spent 20, then it's glitching. So if you're going to do this deal, your 5 back, according to the list, should come up. Now, if you want to make sure it's going to come up, you can add one more product to it. And you can add a Febreze fabric for $5.50. You've got a $2.30 coupon. It's going to leave your out-of-pocket being $23. So let's double check that. Adding that Febreze fabric brings you to $23.16 with taxes. Before taxes, you're looking at 21 and change. So you're at your spend 20 mark. So you will get your 5 back for your next transaction, which means you, for $15, let's see, you're gonna get your 5 back. So about approximately $15, you have gotten 3 things of paper towels and a Febreze fabric spray. So that right there is a winner chicken dinner deal. And of course, you can do this deal on Saturday as well, just like this, because you're already at $31. But, and of course, if your 5 comes off with that at 31, that's still going to leave you $26. So you'll still be able to take your other 5 off. But your out-of-pocket is going to be below the $20 mark. So you could either forfeit that next purchase coupon, or you can get more PG product and throw in this deal. Okay? And what you could throw in this deal with more PG product, and it's going to make it a little bit more complicated, we can throw in the flings, or the 4 for $12 coupon, and that's a store coupon, and that's what makes it complicated. Now, because you're going to get now if we combine both the Gain 4 for $12 and the Bounty deal and the Febreze that I just showed you, for Saturday you'd be at $43.75. Now, how this should work in a newer operating system store is your 5 off 25 and your 5 off 25 bounty, okay, will come off basically first. Then your 5 off 25, and that still leaves you $38.75. So still leaves you plenty. And then whatever the store coupon difference is for the Gain, which I think is actually $3. Okay. So that leaves you plenty to make that up. Then you've got $5.30 in regular coupons. That leaves you $25.45 out of pocket. But then you're going to get your 5 off next purchase for a final out of pocket of $20.45. Now that's a winner chicken dinner deal. It's cheaper than your Bounty deal. So that means all your Gain products and your Febreze products is going to be free. Now this is 8 items with a total savings of $18.40, guys. And it's a winner chicken dinner. Alrighty. So, blessings. I'll see you again next time, because we got more free money to, well, stack and get back at Dollar General. And you know, you want to know,